This diamond was forged on hard work, grit, strength, integrity, and dedication to craftsmanship. The values that we hold true with every fiber of our being. From our modest beginnings in the midst of the Great Depression to the fourth generation now at the helm, our family has been there to protect your family. Our diverse workforce of more than 600 American workers from 36 countries proudly manufactures the safety apparel that has helped build our country from the ground up. Innovation born in Cleveland. The best product and technologies delivered around the world. Our house of brands is dedicated to one critical mission: protecting America's utility, manufacturing, and steelworkers in the field, and our armed forces on the battlefield. Our commitment to each other is matched only by our commitment to those we serve, providing innovative and high-quality safety apparel to our customers to get them home safely, day after day. We are National Safety Apparel.